لعلكم تتقون. اللهم صل على سيدنا مولانا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا مولانا محمد وبارك वसल्लम. आज हमारे हजरत काजी साहब मौजूद नहीं हैं, तो सिर्फ 5 मिनट के लिए कुछ अर्ज करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Our Qadri Sahib is not here today, so just for 5 minutes I'll just share some, maybe we call them reflections of Ramadan with my brothers here, and just to say I feel honoured to be back here in my home place, because I don't always get the opportunity to do Taraweeh here and to do Iftar with everybody here. So I thought I'll take the chance just to say just a few words about the month and as it's passed. The first thing to say is that we should say Alhamdulillah that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed us with one more Ramadan. Nobody from us here knows whether we are going to make the next Ramadan or not. So as soon as Ramadan begins, we should say Alhamdulillah. When it ends, we should say Alhamdulillah that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed us with another Ramadan. And this is one of the greatest honors for a believer to have, that he makes Ramadan. That's why before Ramadan we have the dua of Allahumma ballighna Ramadana, that may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala take us and reach us towards Ramadan. And some people may be regretful and feeling sad that one, that Ramadan has ended, and secondly, that they could not perform their good deeds in the way that they would have wished to. But that's not something to be mournful about, because as long as we have done our best and we have strived in this month of Ramadan, we might strive for perfection, but that doesn't always happen. And I think a good way to set your goals or to reflect on how Ramadan was, to compare it to your last Ramadan. And did I do better in this Ramadan than last Ramadan? Was I praying on time? Did I make more jama'ah? Did I read more Quran? Did I attend more durus? Did I make more dua? This is a month of supplication as well as a month of the Quran. Ramadan is a month of